channel. My name is Ashish Anand Singh. So I am planning to start my first series of JavaScript. So basically मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं कोई एक 9 स्टैंडर्ड या 10 स्टैंडर्ड या अर्ली स्टेज टेक्नो फ्रीक बच्चे उनके लिए आई वांटेड टू मेक जावास्क्रिप्ट वीडियोस व्हिच शुड बी वेरी इजी जो कि दे कैन ग्रास्प इन लाइक विद इन नो सेकेंड्स. So I wanted to make this video very simple, very like English language I will use, जो कि mix of Hindi and English रहेगा. And my thought for the young generation would be if उनको अपनी life में कुछ करना है, like nowadays people like kids are super smart. So if they want to grow, they should have that mindset. Like nowadays people are looking into their surroundings. They wanted to know like what and how people are growing so much. You have saw like entrepreneurs within 20 to 25, they are earning like billions because of the ideas, because of their surroundings, I guess. So that's why I'm not going to take too much time on this, but I want people to understand, if I can do it, you can do it, anyone can do it. It's just they need some practice, they need some patience, they need a good teacher. So I would like to start my JavaScript. Okay, so okay, let's start. So basically, let me tell you like how this e-commerce, how this website, and how this everything really works. So you can think of this house. So basically this house is made up of bricks, walls, door. So basically those structure we call it as HTML. Okay, so that is house structure, walls or doors, that is HTML. But the paint, the aesthetic look, which makes people more uh, attractive, we use paint. Okay, we use color, we use decoration, we give some pop, we give some like interiors, okay, or exterior, right? So in e-commerce or in website we call it as CSS, but in normal language we call it anything you want. Now if you see, third thing is the major one, which does not look in your surrounding, but wo hai. Okay, let's say this electricity, this bulb is glowing because of the electricity, the wire, okay, the connections, that works because of the electricity. Similarly, JavaScript is the main brain of website, जिसकी वजह से if you click on any button like share button, so what next is just a button, right? If I click on that button, वो किधर लेके जा रहा है, whom you want to share. So there are multiple options, right? You see WhatsApp, you see let's say Gmail, you see something else. So that works based on that. So जो logic उसके पीछे है, we create the logic using JavaScript. So nowadays JavaScript is one of the most booming language. So अगर आप अपने early stage से ही उसको practice करें, so you could win anything. Like you can create anything, you can win big. अगर आपके पास thought है, you know the logic, you know how to write it, you can, it's just simple coding, right? So yeah, there are a few example I have note, like button click, showing message, calculation, logging, validation, games, etc. So with the, and yeah, major thing, right? JavaScript के लिए you don't need any compiler or anything. आप कोई भी ब्राउज़र में ओपन करके you need to just right click on it, go to the inspect, go to the console, and you can write your first JavaScript, anything, okay? So we're just, yeah, this is what I have mentioned. You can have multiple browser. These are the browser: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. Yeah, so your browser already understands JavaScript. आपको कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है कोई external compiler use करने के लिए. Okay, cut short, let's start our first programming. So first programming, मैं चाहता हूँ कि like if you can open your browser, click right click on that, go to the inspect, go to the console, just type console.log brackets inverted commas hello world and click enter and see what you are getting. So the console part, so this console part, so this console part is nothing, is just your command to show the message, and this inverted comma thing hello world, that is your message. Okay, so third thing is yeah, this is very important topic, like variable. Okay, I hope I'm not going too fast, I'm not going too slow. It's very simple way I can explain this HTML, CSS and JavaScript. ये करता क्या है, ये है क्या चीज़. Okay, so next thing is what is a variable. So as you know, in your 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, maybe in 6th, 7th, you have heard of this word variable. Okay, so variable is nothing, it will store something. Just think of that. Let's say एक box है. Okay, एक box के अंदर मैंने कुछ डाला. So that box is your variable. उसके अंदर जो मैंने डाला है, that is the value. Okay, so similarly I have explained, this is the blue color thing, वो box है. उसके अंदर the red color thing is your value. अब एक example मैंने यहाँ पे बताया है. Let me explain you that. So let is a keyword which we will learn in later on. So let हो गया, ठीक है. Age equal to 15. So मैंने एक variable बनाया है let का. इसका कोई टाइप डेफिनेशन मैंने नहीं दिया है. टाइप डेफिनेशन मैं बाद में बताऊंगा आपको. सो जो let है दैट इज़ अ क्रिएट. जो let है उसका बेसिकली काम क्या है, वो एक बॉक्स बना रहा है जिसके अंदर हम वैल्यू डालने वाले हैं, ठीक है. और ये जो हमने बॉक्स बनाया उसको हमने नाम दिया है टू मेक इट यूनिक, ठीक है. और ये हमने वैल्यू डाली है 15. सो एनीवेयर इन योर प्रोग्राम, anywhere in your function, anywhere in your whole file, if you console.log age, you will see 15, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे मैंने एक नोट डाल दिया है लाइक JS will remember the value of for us. Okay, try consoling, मैंने आपको बताया, you can try consoling your browser, inside your browser console.log age and वो आपको 15 मिलेगा. अब next is like real life variable. Okay, these are some mathematical operations. Okay, let's do this mathematical operation. Simple math, JavaScript, basically like arithmetic calculator, how the calculator works. Similarly, we can type our code and inside that you will see same operation we can do within no seconds, even it is faster than calculator. Okay, so like मैंने एक वेरिएबल है a, उसकी वैल्यू मैंने ली है 20. लेट मैंने उसका टाइप डेफिनेशन नहीं किया. एक b लिया जिसकी वैल्यू दी है मैंने 15 और मैंने फिर क्या किया console.log a plus b. सो a plus b में हमारा आएगा 35. console.log b में मैंने क्या किया है a minus b, तो उसका आएगा 5. console.log a डिवाइड बाई b किया है मैंने 4/3 एंड console.log किया है मैंने a into b. सो ये हो गया हमारा, वो आप कर लेना. थैंक यू. सो ट्राई दिस एंड दिस इज हाउ द कैलकुलेटर इन शॉपिंग एप्स आर वर्क्स. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि हम जावास्क्रिप्ट क्यों करें. सो जावास्क्रिप्ट करने का देयर आर